Hello, Epic Games recently released a Niagara System Effect Pack for Unreal Engine version 5.7, which contains over 50 VFX Niagara systems. It comes with a bunch of different effects, from explosions, bullet impact effects, trails, sparks, fire and smoke, mist cards, weapon buffs and debuffs, animation notify based footstep effects, and much more. The Niagara example pack can be downloaded from Fab for completely free and imported into your projects. They say it's ready for any studio size and skill level to use. Once added to your project, you're free to use them as they are, or you can tweak and customize them to your needs, or simply just explore them as learning examples. The pack also includes a dedicated gallery gameplay level within the asset pack that you can open and play through. In this level, it demonstrates how each system can be used, making it one of the primary ways to experiment with the system and learn how it works. The system has also been authored with the best practices in mind. Each system is assigned in a Niagara effect type, which specifies scalability settings such as spawn limits, whether to pause or kill the system at a distance, and spawn multipliers for each scalability group. The emitters inside each system have also been assigned scalability groups, enabling individual emitters to be activated or deactivated to help keep performance within reasonable limits across multiple platforms. And they've also included an impact and footstep system, which makes use of a Niagara data channel. These systems greatly reduce the number of components spawned by handling all impacts or footsteps inside an island with a single Niagara system. Lightweight emitters have also been used where appropriate to further reduce costs. These are stateless emitter types that offer reduced functionality in exchange for greater performance and efficiency. The pack also includes animation notify blueprints that demonstrate how to trigger VFX from animation events. These blueprints include an option to easily switch between Niagara data channel spawning or per step system spawning. They say this is the first release of the Niagara examples pack, and they are planning to continue to update it with new systems in future releases. If you want another free Unreal Engine asset, you can check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. There'll be a link to that in the description of this video. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!